Good day everybody, it's Grady, Chief Instructor from Northern Limits Bushcraft and Survival, and I'm coming from you from Spirit Adventure here in Shropshire. And today what we're going to be doing is I'm just going to do a quick review of some kit I was sent by Cameron from the Urban Survival guys. So, roll credits. So, first on the agenda, first bit of kit is this. It's the kneeling pad, waxed canvas bag, and then we've got the kneeling pad itself. So let's have a look at it. So first we've got a tweed mat, and then we've got a robust oil canvas bottom, waterproof. Firstly, sit mat where you can sit with bum down on it, or we've got a kneeling mat as well if you're like me and you spend a lot of time on your knees prepping your fire. It's also good as well, and what will allow you to do is to be able to put a lot more tinder and then, you know, carry a mat as such as well. The best thing about this bit of kit when I was sent was to review. I was quite excited about it because of the fact that you did have a lot of build up about it. It is absolutely fantastic because of the fact that if you've got something that's really fibrous like cotton wool, for example, that is also very, very absorbent, it will absorb moisture off the floor straight away. So right there, it gives us a barrier to be able to keep it off the dampness off the floor. And then what that allows us to do is be able to get me smalls and then get them prepared for my fire. Again, it doesn't necessarily have to be, you know, cotton wool. Could be things like with inferno rope, for example, or getting ready to strike with inferno discs, for example. So this is now part of my kit on a permanent basis because of the fact that, you know, if I'm not wearing my mandrake cries with the knee pads in, I've got something and actually be able to block the dampness off the floor and stop us from getting wet and damp. So highly suggest you get on Etsy, Urban Survival guys, and then you'll be able to find this greatly priced, excellent bit of kit, now permanent fixture within my personal kit. So the next on the agenda then is the Urban Camouflage double layered hanky. 100% cotton, and I've had this one for a while because I won it off one of these Instagram competitions just by chance, and it's now been a permanent fixture within my resources bag for my everyday carry, purely because it's 100% cotton. So if that situation deems it necessary and I have to be able to get some char cloth to start a fire, I can actually split this down with the double layer, as you can see there. Well, I've also used to put coffee in the middle of it and then poured hot water in it and actually used it as a coffee filter, which works absolutely fabulous, and it's also been used as a water filter. So just a simple double-layered hanky, 100% cotton. I've got char there, I've got a filter, and I've also got coffee making material as well. Yeah, like I said, absolutely 100% permanent fixture in my resources bag at all times. So next what we have is the Urban Survival Guys Tactical Survival Belt. This was made in collaboration with Cameron, and essentially what he's done, because, you know, me as the Chief Instructor and as Grazy, I use tactical modern methods, unlike, you know, James, who's our primitive and traditional guy, or even Poppy and Callum as well, who have a different spin on what I do. But my main kit is tactical. So this, I've got a very robust clip, which I like, and then I've also then got some pouches along here. So in total there's 4 here, 1 in there, and what that's allowed us to do is put different items. So in this one, for example, this is my fire lighting one. I've got some hurricane matches, some army issue stormproof matches out of the ration packs. In this one I've got a condom, which is for a water container. So again, that's part of my combustion devices. That's my container for my 10 C's of survivability. I've got a tampon just to aid myself in fire lighting. But what I'm also doing here is I've got a ferro toggle and some Amadou that I've actually added in myself. These are the ferro toggles that we use on our ignition bracelets and our ignition necklaces. Next one, I've got some Pura tabs. and I've also got a ferro rod striker as well, but because this is carbon steel, I can, if I find flint, I'm able to get a spark out of that. And then lastly, in this one, I've got some tape here for fire lighting, kit repair, first aid plaster, and we're probably going to stick it on my finger because I've hurt myself. And then I've got some snare and wiring as well. But again, this is not some stuff that comes with the belt, this is just some stuff that I actually put in there in a rush because I was about to leave the door.